Did you know that roti is a round flatbread native to the Indian subcontinent? It is commonly consumed in many Southeast Asian countries. It is made from stone-ground whole wheat flour, traditionally known as gehu ka atta, and water that is combined into a dough. Its defining characteristic is that it is unleavened. Here in restaurant, the place I've been currently working, this roti is the most popular appetizer, because of many delicious flavors to choose.